Hello friends, in this video we will look at the address tag and how we will use that in HTML5 document. The address tag is used to specify the contact information of the author of the HTML document. So once you specify the address tag, the browser will display the address content in italic format. So the browser will also add line break before and after the address tag, so that the address tag will be displayed as a separate element. So here in this case we have a document, and in the document body after the main article page that's placed in the h1 tag. After that we placed my name, my street, area code and my web link. These are all enclosed in between the address tag. So on each line we placed a line break. But if you see, after the main article page there will be a line break that will get added automatically, and after the address tag there will be one line break that will get added automatically. So the content inside the address will be displayed in italic. So here is the example. So whatever we saw in the slide is presented here as an example. I just opened this in Notepad. Now we will open this in Internet Explorer, and if you see, there is a main article page. After the main article page there is a line break that is placed after the main article page. So if I look at the view source, and there is no line break here, so the browser automatically adds the line break. After that, this my name, my street, area code and my web link, all these stuffs are displayed in italic format. So that's the purpose of address tag. Usually people will provide their contact information as well as their personal web link after writing their article. So the address tag is useful for that. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.